Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Colen if you guys haven't been here, and if you have, welcome back. Alright, so today I did this lemonade inspired eye look. Yes, I did use all Drugstore for my full face. Okay, maybe just a couple that are not, but for the most part it is full Drugstore brand. And I use this lemonade palette by Maybelline, and oh my gosh, it is awesome, you guys. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this eye makeup and this full face using only Drugstore, just keep on watching. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Alright, you guys, so I'm just gonna start off with my Urban Decay primer potion, and that is in the shade Eden. You can use whatever primer, or you can use whatever eyeshadow primer as you like. But yes, I just put it on my lid. I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. So here I'm just placing a tape right there. It's gonna help us later to have a cleaner look. And I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm starting it off with the shade Lemonade Craze. I'm just blending that out in my, what is that? What is it called? Yeah, there. I'm blending it out there. Yes, girl, blend it. Next, I'm just gonna be using the shade Coral Punch and placing it there. I don't really know my terms, you guys, I'm sorry. But yes, I'm just placing it there and blend it out again. And as you can tell here, I'm just adding more layers of the Coral Punch. And you can add as, you know, many layers as you'd like until you're satisfied with the color payoff. Alright, you guys, this is probably the hardest part in this makeup eye look. You just really want to take your time in this part, because if you fuck this up, it's over, or it's just hard to start over again. But yes, I'm just cutting my crease here. Just really, you know, want to take your time in this section. And I know I didn't get like a good shot at this. I'll try better next time. I'm so sorry. Yes, we did it successfully. So after we cut our crease, we just want to set our crease with the shade Sherbet. Sherbet? That sounds weird, but yes, Sherbet. You just want to set that crease with the shade Sherbet. Wow, Colin. So in here, I'm so sorry, you guys, I failed. But in here, I failed to show you what I was doing. But basically, what I'm doing is I'm just creating a liner, cat eye liner, using the shade Ice Pop. And as you can tell, you know, that tape is really helping me with that liner, because I lost my angled liner brush. So that tape is helping us to do that. And as you will see later, we're also gonna be using a concealer to clean the mess up. So here I just decided to take out the tape and, you know, just fuck it, I guess. I mean, don't worry, you guys, we're gonna clean this up. This is why I always do my eyeshadow first before anything else. That way we can clean up the mess. But yes, I'm just using the shade Old Fashioned here to deepen up the liner. And you just wanna stay close to your lash line as possible. And And this is the most exciting part of all, you guys. This is what's gonna make our eyeshadow poppin'. But yes, I'm just gonna be using the Stila glitter liner. I think that's what it's called, and it's in the shade Kitten Karma. You see how pretty that is? I'm just lining my cut crease with that. And I know this is not a drugstore brand, but I did say that in a video that I'm gonna be using a couple, you know, high end. But yes, this is gonna look so pretty. Here I'm just adding my lashes. You can add, or you can choose whatever lashes your heart desires, you know. But yes, I mean, I wouldn't say this is my favorite lash. It's my first time using this lashes. These are the iconic lashes by Lily Lashes. So many lashes. But yes, I'm just adding the lashes there. I mean, it came out pretty, right? Though, right? It looks pretty. Alrighty, you guys, time for the face. I'm just using my First Aid Beauty moisturizer to prep my crusty ass face for all that makeup I'm about to put on. There you go, yes. Moisturize that face, okay? After that, I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Dewy Primer, and you guys, this stuff is amazing, and it's only like $3 or $4. And I'm gonna follow that with my Flower Light Illusion Foundation. And this one also has a dewy finish look, you guys. It's an amazing foundation. I've been obsessed with it. And I'm just gonna buff that all over my face, including the neck. Don't forget that neck area, that way it doesn't look like a mask. Up next, I'm using another Flower product here. This is Flower's Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. And this stuff is amazing too. I don't know what else to say, but yes, you see how easily that one blended out. You guys, you need to try this. I highly recommend this. So go ahead, run to your local Ulta and go ahead and grab one. And then I just sprayed myself with the Max Fix Plus before baking. That way my face doesn't look too crusty. And while waiting for that face to dry, I just went ahead and add on my mascara. And here, look at me, just baking. You know, not so much though, because right now I have very dry skin. So I only bake for like, I think 20 seconds and dust it off real quick. Alright, it's time to add some color in that pale face. Here, I believe I was using the Hoola bronzer to bronze up my face. There you go, yes. See, I was right, the Hoola bronzer. I kind of forgot what I was using, but yes. Let's just bronze up that face real quick. And now for my favorite part, this is the Wet n Wild highlighter. Look at that glow. Oh my gosh, she glowing. That highlight is beaming. For the lips, I went for a natural look. I am using my MAC lip liner in Soar. I love this lip liner. I feel like this is like my natural lip color, but better, you know? I love it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish that off with my Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the shade Kirsten, I forgot, something like that. And ta-da! That is the finished look. Look at you, girl. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye!